Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the Sushi Roll Reversal Pattern. This is a multi-candle reversal formation made up of two distinct ranges that helps you identify potential turning points after an established trend, often used on higher intraday and daily charts. Now the Sushi Roll Reversal Pattern consists of two groups of candles, an initial inside range followed by second group where price trades outside that original range in the opposite direction of the prior trend. Now we have a bearish and a bullish case. For bearish case, we have a green candle that trades within the range of the red candle after it, signaling a bearish trend approaching. Now we have the bullish trend or bullish pattern with a red candlestick just before a green candlestick and the red candlestick in between the range of the green candlestick. Now I'm looking for an example to show you on the chart, such as this one. Now you can see the red candlestick trading in the range of the green candlestick and an uptrend after. Now the first group usually forms a consolidation band where highs and lows stay relatively contained, visually showing a pause after a directional move, while the second group then pushes beyond the high or low of that band in a way that contradicts the previous trend, implying that control is shifting from buyers to sellers or vice versa. Once this two-phase structure is complete, the pattern visually signals that the prior trend may be exhausted and that a new trend or meaningful correction could be starting. Now, there are some structures you have to apply, and that includes how many candles you treat as the initial consolidation range, how you define the second group breaking that range, and which time frames you focus on. Now, who is it for? The switchable reversal pattern is suited to traders who rely on price action, market structure, and trend exhaustion concepts and who are comfortable counting and comparing candle ranges. It's not a guarantee of reversal. Strong trends, news events, or thin liquidity can cause the pattern to fail or move into a continuation instead. Because it is relatively rare and context dependent, as I showed you earlier, it works best when combined with broader trend analysis, confluence zones, and disciplined risk management instead of being used alone. You can find or learn more in the description below, and you can read the full Sushi Roll reversal pattern, including formation rules, chart examples, pros and cons at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.